When you search for mini body camera with audio, every listing looks identical. Same tiny size, same night vision claims, same included memory card. But here's the thing, most of them cut corners where it actually matters. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find which ones deliver real performance and which ones just look good on paper. Product number 1, Aviarii A18. Let's start with the Aviarii A18, a 1080p mini body cam priced under $40 that comes with a 64GB card and promises night vision up to 6 feet. If you want an affordable, no-frills recorder for work or travel, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1080p resolution is sharp enough to capture license plates or faces in daylight, and the infrared night vision actually works within that 6-foot range, perfect for close-range security checks or personal safety. The 1000 mAh battery gives you 3-5 hours of recording, which is solid for its size, and loop recording means it never stops capturing when the card fills up. Plus, the timestamp feature helps organize evidence if you ever need it for disputes or reports. Over 2,000 people bought this last month, so it's clearly filling a need. Now, some people complained about the night vision being too short-ranged and the build feeling a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, at this price you're not getting military-grade gear. The plastic housing won't survive a drop onto concrete, and don't expect clear footage beyond 6 feet in total darkness. But for indoor monitoring or short outdoor patrols, it holds up. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly, always-on recorder for work logs, travel documentation, or basic home monitoring. Skip this one if you need long-range night vision or rugged durability. For under $40 with a 64GB card included, it's a solid entry-level pick. Product number 2, Mjolkalnum Thumb Cam. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for hands-free use. The Mjolkalnum Thumb Cam. This thing is literally the size of your thumb at just 64.5x28x20, and it includes a magnetic pendant, safety cord, and rotating back clip. If you want maximum mounting flexibility without breaking the bank, this one stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The magnetic mount lets you snap it onto metal surfaces, think fridge, car hood, or bike frame, while the 360 degrees rotating clip gives you perfect angle control whether it's clipped to your collar or backpack. It records in 1080p with decent clarity, and the one-button design means anyone can use it, no confusing menus. The 128GB storage is a huge plus, letting you record over 20 hours of footage before needing to transfer files. It's also universally compatible, so you can use it to monitor pets, babysitters, or even elderly parents without setup headaches. Now, some people complained about the lack of night vision and the short battery life. It only runs about 2-3 hours. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for all-night surveillance. It's designed for short, focused recordings like meetings, walks, or quick monitoring sessions. And honestly, at this size, battery life is always a trade-off. This is perfect for you if you need a tiny, versatile cam for quick recordings around the house, office, or during short outdoor activities. Skip this one if you need extended recording time or low-light performance. It's a clever little tool for everyday peace of mind. Product number 3, Sixmu i3 4K. Now, if the previous two lacked resolution or battery life, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Sixmu i3 4K priced at $91. It's the most expensive on this list, but it delivers 4K video, 150 minutes of recording time, and even comes with a waterproof case for underwater use up to 131 feet. If you want premium performance in a tiny package, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 4K resolution means you can zoom in on details like text on a document or a person's face from 20+ feet away and still maintain clarity, something 1080p just can't match. The 800 mAh battery gives you 2.5 hours in 1080p mode, which is excellent for its size, and it supports recording while charging, a lifesaver during long shifts. The magnetic mount and spring clip make it easy to attach to helmets, bikes, or jackets, and the 7 included accessories mean you're covered for almost any scenario. Plus, the waterproof housing opens up use for diving, snorkeling, or rainy day rides. Now some people complained about the camera overheating after 60-70 minutes of continuous 4K recording and the lack of built-in night vision. Here's the thing though, overheating is common in tiny 4K cams, and you can avoid it by switching to 1080p for longer sessions. And while there's no IR night vision, the wide aperture f2.8 helps in low light, and you can pair it with external lighting if needed. This is perfect for you if you're serious about video quality and need a durable, high-performance cam for action sports, security work, or professional documentation. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need basic monitoring. It's a premium tool for premium needs. Product number 4, Covert Camera Pen. Alright, that was a high-end pick. But what if you want something even more discreet? Enter the Covert Body Camera Pen, a 1080p recorder disguised as an ordinary pen priced at $58. If you need covert recording for meetings, interviews, or personal safety, this one's hard to beat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pen design lets you record audio and video without drawing attention, perfect for journalists, private investigators, or anyone documenting sensitive conversations. It includes a 64GB card and features one-button control, so you can switch between photo, video, and audio modes instantly. It's also great for home monitoring. Just leave it on your desk and let it do its job. Now, some people complained about the pen not writing and the audio quality being muffled if covered. Here's the thing though, this isn't a real pen and it's not meant to be. It's a camera first. And while audio can suffer if the mic is blocked, placing it upright on a table usually solves that. Just don't expect studio quality sound. This is perfect for you if you need a hidden recorder for professional or personal use where discretion is key. Skip this one if you need loud, clear audio or rugged outdoor use. For covert recording, it's one of the most clever designs out there. Product number 5. Losfam Z11 4K. Finally, the Losfam Z11, a 4K body cam with a built-in screen, 6-hour battery, night vision, and 180 degrees rotating lens, all for $68. If you want a feature-packed wearable cam without going over $100, this might be your best bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1700 mAh battery is massive for a mini cam. You get up to 7 hours of recording, which is perfect for full work shifts or long travel days. The 4K resolution delivers crisp detail, and the 120 degrees wide-angle lens with 180 degrees rotation means you can adjust the view without moving the whole camera. Plus, the built-in screen lets you review footage instantly, no need to connect to a phone or computer. It also supports 4 wearing styles: clip, lanyard, bracket, or strap, so you can wear it however fits your day. Now, some people complained about the screen being small and hard to read in sunlight, and the camera being slightly heavier than others. Here's the thing though, the screen is functional, not cinematic, and the weight is a fair trade for the battery and features. This isn't a featherlight toy, it's a serious tool. This is perfect for you if you want long recording time, high resolution, and versatile mounting without spending over $100. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight or completely invisible. For the features, it's one of the best values here. So which one should you pick? The Aviary A18 wins for budget buyers. The Mjolkalm is best for hands-free flexibility. The Sixmu i3 delivers top-tier 4K and durability. The Covert pen is ideal for covert use. And the Losfam Z11 offers the most features for under $70. Each has trade-offs, but all solve real problems. Pick based on your priority and let me know which one you're grabbing in the comments.